Hey guys, it's Maddie here. Welcome back to the channel. You guys are wondering why we see Dutchess. Because we're trying to train her today. Here I am. I'm filming backwards on my iPad, so that's why. Here comes the leash. Come. We'll try our best. No, come. You come. You come. Oh my god, Dutchess. Come. 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 Here she goes. Here she goes. No, Dutchess. This way, puppy. This way. Stop. No. I'm gonna let you off the leash. You better be good, Missy. Go. No. Come. Change my mind. Sit. Dutchess. 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 Sit. Stay. 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 Come. Dutchess. Good girl. Go get a treat. Treat. Please don't my horrible. Dutchess, come. Over here. No. Come. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Hi. Hi, everyone. And the treat. Taking a little break. She needs a little bit of nutrition. She's going to walk, eating yogurt puppy. I usually give her a break between each exercise because I let her digest. I also think they're doing a little bit. No. 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 Yeah, I'm also hungry. I don't think I like this. Good girl. You're a good girl. Why do you look sad? You're a good girl. And now we're going to try basic command. Well, I don't really care about those for now. Right here. Dutchess, come. Goose, goon. Sit. Shake. No turn. Turn. Dutchess up. Up. Come. 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 Okay, scratch. Sit. You guys see her? Yes, you can. No. Sit. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Down. Stay. Come. That is come. Now I'm going to try to give you a treat. Come. Want a treat? You really like this too, like. Yeah, I was feeding you. So yeah. I know my outfit was horrible. With the pink shorts and a gray shirt. Yeah. Oops. My bad. Are you ready? That's like a yes. No, come. 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 Stay. Stay. Now I'm going to try to do release. I got your scene on YouTube. Too, but I don't know if she can do it because she's kind of an old lady. Yeah, she's old. Huh? Release. We may have to pop this in the car. But I don't want to have a close one. Well, I have no idea. We're back to treats. And my review. Here. No. I have to shut the door so she doesn't escape. I know she will probably try to escape. No. Yeah. No. Come. No, Dutchess. Come. Dutchess. Come. Good girl. Oh my god. She's a monster. She is very strong. Oh my gosh. You're so strong. Oh my god, yes, I see you. Here's the patrol maker. Oh my god, really the patrol. Mom, don't y'all come in here or she will escape. Oh my god. Can I see? It's going down. Let's go. Wait. Come. Come here. Up. No. Up. Good girl. Now we're going to try this again. Yeah. No. Stay. Dutchess. Stay. Release. She did it. This is actually as high as I can do it right now. Because he clearly doesn't hear and I cannot think of enough but we can do it. What are you looking at? No, you're not going out there yet, Missy. Come. That's it? Come. Sometimes they shake her leash so that probably yes. Oh, now we want you to come, Missy? Really? That's a belt. It's Mama's belt. There's the troublemaker. Coming on hashtag dog squad if you love dogs. Or hashtag cat squad if you like cats. More. Honestly, prefer dogs. The reason I look so busted today is because first I had my first day of school today. What is over there that you're not? Nothing's over there. That's just a door. I don't know if she's out tonight. I don't feel if Dutchess, come here. And what else should I teach you? What do you think? Comment down below if you guys have any suggestions of what I should train her to do. I have no idea what to do. Oh, I have an idea. I'm not going to hurt her. I'm trying to get to the limbo. Dutchess under. Good girl. Dutchess come. Dutchess under. Good girl. Again. Oh, she gets positive sleep. Dutchess come. Under. Good girl. Dutchess come. Under. Under. No, down. Up. Under. Dutchess come. Under. Dutchess come. Come. Dutchess over. Okay. Honey, got the treats. So that means if you do what I tell you to do. Dutchess over. No. Get up. Not time for laziness. You see. Training. Over. Dutchess over. Good girl. Come. Dutchess, want a treat? No. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Maybe because I should work smarter. Good girl. Good girl. Come. Dutchess, come. I know everybody's like, Maddie, why do you have this like on this stuff? Because I actually, my news is actually nothing about news. No, no, no. Over right here, dude. Over. 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 Good girl. Wait, treat. Treat. Dutchess, treat. Come. Dutchess. Dutchess. Every time she does that, we're going to go for a treat. Okay, I'm going to go for a shut up. I'm really trying to work on her. Dutchess, no. Dutchess. Dutchess. Come. Dutchess, come here. Good girl. Over. Dutchess, no. Now. Dutchess. Dutchess, come here. Dutchess, come. Dutchess, come here. Want a treat? You're not getting treats. Over. Over. Up and over. Good job. Good girl. You did a good job. I'm trying my best here. Okay, guys. If anyone judges me for being a bad dog owner, I'm trying my best. Okay, guys. She's old. Yeah, you know. Let me show you what she's doing. No. Why did you stop? She was like sniffing the ground. It was kind of sad. What were you doing? What were you doing? Now, Dutchess! I'm going to try to do an obstacle course for her. Stay. Be forward. I'm trying to get her over. Over. Of course, I'm going to be holding her leash. You're going to be on a leash. I'm going to be holding her up, of course. Of course, so she's still training. I'm going to use these so she can like go around them. I need to try. Shut up, Thunder! Jesus. Once she gets the hang of it, she's going to try going through on her own. She's going to try going through on her own. Come. Come in. This way. Come on. Dutchess over with me. This way. Dutchess, come here. Dutchess, come. Yeah, now you guys can't see us. Is that true? True. Over, over, over. No, this way, this way, this way. Good girl. I don't know what do you like about this door? Yeah, I also took obstacle course and she got through that pretty simple. That was just level 1, guys. Level 1. No, why would I close the camera? I found these here. These all here. So, I'm gonna use them. This is like games. Comment down below if you guys don't have like, I have no idea. I don't know how to play this game. I need to move the camera. Oh shoot. How is this? Let's go this way. For Dutchess. Why? What are you doing again? What are you doing? Yeah. Where's your back? I see it. No, you guys. Ah, my I made this be watching on TV. Oh my god. What else did I freaking use? What's this talking about? Nice. Oh my gosh. P.S. If you're okay to watching this, don't know if you're gonna use words and saying do not use these words. Alright, I'll just move it. Move it once to get a view. If you get a view, I'll move it. Push this up. Which way? Come on the boxes, please. Oh, please don't come over. I'm actually going to use a treat to guide her. Before we guide her. I just thought oh shoot, that's the new light. There we go. Dutchess, come. Come. Dutchess. Oh my god, shut up. Up. Up and over. No, Dutchess. Up and over. No, you can't go around. Dutchess. You have to go up and over you. Watch, Mama. Watch. Step. 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 You can do it. You can do it. Go. Up and over. Up and over. You okay? Fine. You good? I'm just gonna do a rainbow. That's it. Here we go. Here's the treats. I'm gonna do it. Oh no, Dutchess, you're in the way. You're in the way. The audience. Now stay. Mommy. How about I don't this, please? Yeah, walk. I'll walk. Dutchess. Why did you fight? You. I'm not loving you with that fight. Dutchess, you're disgusting. You're Welsh. You're stinky. Oh, stinky lady. He found more food. Oh my Dutchess. No, Dutchess. Under. Over. Dutchess, up and over. Up and over. No, Dutchess, come. Come here. We have one. We have two more. Under. Come under. Now stay. Dutchess, come on, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's really hot in here. What is the next temperature in here? Why is it 72 degrees? What is it supposed to be? How is that? Well, that's all the training I'll do for today. Dutchess, come say goodbye. Come say goodbye to them. Dutchess, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Dutchess! Come say goodbye to the honey. Oh, sorry, I kept you guys for this one. I have no idea. Come on. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Dutchess, I swear, gosh. Oh my god. Dutchess down. Thanks for Dutchess.
Dutchess, look at me. It's watching.